Do you have a Airbnb already?
No, this will be my first one. Hey, what up, man? We right outside the title company. About to go in here and sign some docs. Another closing. This one right here is a refi. Flipped the house. I flipped a $500,000 house, and then the market changed. So I put it on the market. It didn't sell on the market. It's on the market for about 4 months. Then I decided to just refi and keep it because I had 2 appraisals done. Well, 3. The preliminary appraisal came in at like 3 something, which was BS. And no. The appraisal from your hard money lender is always going to come in low. The main thing on that preliminary appraisal is to make sure that you can get that 75% LTV that you're looking for, or that 65% LTV that you're looking for to move on to the next step. Because at the end of the day, you're going to sell it for what you sell it for, and it's going to be worth what it's going to be worth. What I mean by that is that first appraisal was like $390,000. The second appraisal was like $490. The third appraisal was $560. So now I'm refining out. I'm gonna use this money to finish up one of my developments I have, and just keep everything pushing, man. I'm gonna turn that house into an Airbnb, and that's gonna be generating income, and just play out the play. So I flipped the house, I pulled the money out. I'm using the money to finish my development. The house itself is gonna be making money. It's gonna be an Airbnb, 4,000 square feet. Yeah, and I still got equity in the house too. So that's just what's going on, and let's get in here and sign some docs, man.
Here that you are also, you're Rashad, then you have Rashad J. And I just want you to sign that, acknowledging that. Do you have a Airbnb already?
No, this will be my first one. I never really, I had opportunities to have them, but to me it felt like a job. But like, since that house didn't sell, I was like, instead of just a regular tenant, it's 4,000 square feet, so the rent would have to be probably 3,500. So
right.
Airbnb then was the only thing that made sense.
Yeah, that's true. It's smart.